Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So Sagittarians, let's see what's in store for you. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Sagittarians. So we have the Sun, the Ten of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Page of Cups, High Priestess, Six of Wands, Ten of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Judgment with the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So Sagittarians, you are in a pretty happy and a stable situation. Okay. I really don't see why are you fretting and why are you suffering from this anxiety. Okay, I really don't see any reason for you to be in such an anxious state that you are not able to, something is bothering you so much in spite of you having everything and all the happiness. There is something which is really bothering you, and somehow the vibe which I am getting for at least some of you is that it can be that as far as finances and other things are concerned, perhaps in the physical world or perhaps on the materialistic world, everything seems to be very fine, but somehow what I feel is it is the emotional level which is troubling you. Okay, it is something regarding your emotions which perhaps there is some sort of unfulfillment as far as some emotional aspect is concerned in one situation or in general, I don't know, in which you are not happy. Okay, perhaps you want to open up emotionally to someone, that's what I feel. Okay, perhaps you want to open up emotionally to someone and you are not able to do that. Perhaps that is what is causing you a lot of anxiety. Okay, so perhaps you want to do that and you are not doing it, or you are not able to do it for some reason, and that is what is troubling you and causing you a lot of anxiety. Okay, somehow what you feel is that if you are able to open up emotionally at this person or at this level, or talk about this emotional aspect to someone, perhaps it can be that also, what you feel is that you will be really happy, you will feel unburdened, you will feel very happy. That is what you feel. So somehow what I feel is maybe you are very rich, maybe you have everything in abundance also, you have a good family, everything is fine as far as your materialistic world is concerned, but somehow at the emotional level there is something which is really troubling you, and intuitively you feel that if you are able to open up to this person or in this direction, you will be able to achieve happiness and fulfillment. Okay, and what I feel here is, since this is something which is really bothering you and your intuition is, you have that hunch that okay, if I do this, I'll be able to be happy or something of that sort. Okay, and finally you do take a decision regarding that. Finally you really want to unburden yourself. You really think, okay, if my intuition is saying this, let me go by my intuition, let me go by my gut feeling. Okay, let's start talking, let me communicate this feeling of mine or this message of mine or whatever you want to convey to this person. And once you're able to do that, that is a decision which you need to take. And once you're able to do that, you will really feel unburdened, you will really feel relaxed, and that decision you have to take. Okay, and what I feel is, since your intuition is guiding you so much, you will be able to take that decision, you will get that energy, or you should say whatever the reluctance is, that reluctance will go and you will be able to take that final decision. Okay, now I'm going to talk to this person, I'm going to open up to this person, or whatever direction it is, that decision will be taken. And once you are able to take that, you are opening a brand new stable beginning for yourself. Okay, so there is a new beginning coming in once you are able to deal with this issue, whatever this is. So you are a very good, in a very good place, but this is something which is bothering you. So once you are able to take this step forward in the direction of whatever it is which is troubling you, and you feel intuitively that that is the right thing to do and you should be doing it, so go ahead with it. It is the right time. You can take that decision, and I think you will get a positive result also in whatever direction it is, be it love or be it anything else. Yes, just see number 7. 7 of spades is here with the chariot of this deck. So things start moving very fast, and right time to take the action. Things will pick up pace very fast. Guidance from the angels. Number 18 may be of some significance for you. Intuition and insight. Your intuitive abilities are very accurate right now, so you can trust your guidance and lead you in the right direction. That's what I said with the high priestess. The same thing. Follow your own insights over the advice of others, and do not allow fear or worry to guide your way. It may be the best to keep your secrets for yourself, to yourself for now. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.